Presenting to you today a wonderful all-brick two-story home situated in the wonderful and booming community of Woodstock. This property is ideally suited for the move-up buyer or the first-time home buyer ready to make their move into ownership. Some of the great desirable features of this wonderful property include a double-car garage, a fully fenced-in backyard, natural gas fireplace, hardwood flooring, crown moldings, master ensuite, walk-in closet, and all the appliances will remain. Want to hear the rest of the list? Be sure to give Ryan a ring.